Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can switch on and set up mobile hotspot. So at first we have to tap on the Wi-Fi icon in this place. Right now we have to connect with network, for example with this one. Or with this one, for example. Now we have to be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. Right now to enable mobile hotspot we have to click here. And as you can see, it's turned on. When you click and hold it, nothing is going to happen. But when you tap with right mouse button, we can open the settings. We can go to the mobile hotspot settings. And as you can see, here we can share our connection over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can also edit and, for example, change password of your hotspot. Here you can check how many devices are connected. And as you can see, we got also this option: when no devices are connected, automatically turn off the mobile hotspot. Honestly, I'm going to get rid of that option. And as you can see, that's how you can turn on and set up hotspot in your Huawei MateBook D15. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.